If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. As a wise man once said, if not us, then who? If not now, then when? I am starting with the man in the mirror. Be humble, believe in yourself, and have the love of the world in your heart. Beat me, hate me, you can never break me. You aren't seen nothing yet, and the best in yet to come. Heal the world, stop the hate, lend a helping hand to those in need. Every day create your history, every path you take you are leaving your legacy. Whatever you believe you become. You never know how long you have with someone, so don't forget to say I love you while you can. No matter what you do, give it everything you have. Be the best, not the second best. Music is my contribution of life. I have my heart in it. Be the best at what you do. Get to know more about your field than anybody alive. Life runs sprints, but the truth runs marathons. You can't hurt me. I found peace within myself. I am a gentleman. Call me old-fashioned if you want. We are the world. We are the children. Before you judge me, ask me about my childhood, and I will ask you about yours. Real charity is giving from the heart without taking credit.